Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 15th of December. And first of all, national news. Delhi, Mumbai among 50 towns to have 5G services. Parliament informed. No death due to malnutrition reported by any state minister in Rajya Sabha. Perfectly fine for India to buy Russian oil, IMF's Geeta Gopinath. Female students in UG courses of IITs increased to 20% in 2021, Rajya Sabha told. Children with disabilities entitled to basic facilities like computer, fee waiver, Delhi High Court. For car stunts on Insta, man fined in Delhi was dodging cops for days. Budget for agriculture during 2014 to 22 reached rupees 6.22 lakh crore, Minister. Assam's Gamosa, Ladakh's apricot get geographical indication tag, the Commerce and Industry Minister. National Credit Framework released for public consultations, government told to Parliament. IIT Bombay, Laksha University agreed for joint research collaboration. Rupees 25 crores spent on development of mobile web apps for census center. PM Modi wants to cut India's reliance on China, but trade has leaped. PM Modi praised Gujarat unit at BJP meet for record-breaking poll win. Centre cleared pending road projects, saved banks from rupees 3 lakh crore bad loans. Minister. Indian Railways revenue reduced drastically in 2020-21 due to COVID-19. And now some international news. Great concern, Philippines on Chinese vessels in disputed waters. US to issue 64,716 H-2B visas for unskilled workers in 2023 fiscal year. Kyiv said 64 Ukrainians, US citizen, released in prisoner swap with Russia. Ukraine said shot down swarm of Iranian-made drones launched by Russia. Spend less on Christmas, send difference to Ukrainians, urge Pope Francis. WHO warned of very tough times ahead as China eased zero COVID curbs. US forced launch space unit in South Korea amid North Korea threats. China said tracking COVID cases impossible as infection soar. US planned to send its most advanced air defense system to Ukraine, a report said. Japan's big shift in defense policy in view of China, North Korea threats. UN said worried by hate, misinformation on social media. US lawmakers introduced bill to ban TikTok. And now some sports news. Polish tennis star Iga Swiatek won Madden WTA Player of the Year award. International Sports Federation picks Big Bang Media for Asia Open Sports Championship. India clubbed with host South Africa in Under-19 Women's World Cup. Arjun Tendulkar slammed century on Ranji Trophy debut. Emulates father's feat. Croatia manager slammed suspicious Argentina penalty after World Cup semi-final loss. Lionel Messi to retire FIFA World Cup final will be his last game for Argentina. Still one step to go for Argentina coach Lionel Scaloni after Qatar World Cup semi-final win over Croatia. News from business. Sensex rised over 140 points even as global rally fizzles ahead of it. Rupee rise 35 paise to 82.46 as dollar weakens on easing US inflation. Success rate of startups in India relatively higher than rest of world, Commerce Minister. Demand for rural job program is falling, Finance Minister. Government will work to bring down inflation further, Finance Minister. Russia emerged as India's top oil supplier in November, replaced Iraq. Wholesale inflation fall to 21-month low of 5.85% in November. Center extended deadline for IDBI Bank sale bids submission to January 7. Asian Development Bank kept India's growth forecast unchanged at 7%. UP government delegates visit US and Canada to seek foreign investment. News from Science and Technology. NASA launched new mission to study Earth's surface water in detail. Mars rover captured first sound of dust devil on red planet. Fusion breakthrough is a milestone for climate clean energy. Scientists inch closer to robots that can build almost anything, including other robots. And that's all in news. Thank you.